Welcome back, everybody. Well, so far we have gone through some of the major steps for you to create your own website. We've gone through domain registration and hosting, installing WordPress, and now we're on the fun part, which is designing our site and choosing a professional looking front end and look and feel for our site. And you can have any of these types of options with WordPress, with the themes that are out there. They're very high-end professional themes, and I'm going to show you how you will install and work with WordPress themes. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go into my dashboard of the site that we were working with, firstwebsitelessons.com, and I'm going to go into my appearance settings on the side here. So if you go to appearance, if you hover this option over here and click on themes. So WordPress themes are the front end of your website and controls what your presentation of your site looks like. So you'll see WordPress comes with one theme called 2011, which is referred to as a default theme, and another one called 2010, which was a previous version of this. Now, if we want to see what our site looks like again, we'll just hover over this toolbar at the top and go ahead and right click. I'm going to open this in another tab to see what our site looks like when we visit it. So it looks nice, it's professional, it's clean, but we want to have a little bit more style. We want it to represent our business a little better. So how do we install themes? I'm going to go back to my back end, and there's under the same place we were before, there's a setting here called install themes. So you've got a few options to install themes. It's very, very simple. You can search for themes, and we're going to go filter or use any keyword for our themes. We can upload themes that we buy or that we found for free also at other places on the internet, and we can use some other filters such as the newest themes, featured themes, and updated. These are all being pulled from wordpress.org, which is where you download the software. So this search right here is going to search the free wordpress.org repository or placeholder where everybody has free themes. So I'm going to go through and pick some options I like in my theme. I want to have the ability to have a custom menu. I want to have custom colors, and I'm going to want to have control over my theme options, so I'm going to want theme options. And I'd like to have the full page template, meaning that I'd like it to take over the entire site if I can want one full page controlling it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Find Themes. We're going to see what we have. So you'll see that there's quite a few themes to choose from. I like one already that's called Squirrel Theme. Now, here's a great thing about WordPress. You can even preview what your site looks like without even turning it on right now. So if we click on this preview link, you will see this is a live preview of what your site looks like. And you can even go ahead and click and find there's pages in here that have content that's straight from your site, and it loads it. So I like this theme. I'm going to go ahead and click on Install. And in one click, my theme will be downloaded, installed. I do not have to do any type of transferring of files or going to the hosting server or working with all that technical stuff. Really, I've already done it. It's handled within WordPress just by clicking on the install link. Now, last step is going to activate. So we're going to activate the theme. And right now, this is our theme. Now, if we go back and visit our site again, I'm going to open this in a window. I'm going to go back here, and this is what our site looks like now. This was what it looked like a second ago, and if we refresh, we'll find that this is the same website, two completely different look and feels, but we've been able to switch them within a second. So now I'm going to get into installing your other themes from offsite locations. I'm going to go right back into my dashboard. I'm going to go to where we were back up here to install themes. And I'm still in the themes and appearance section here. And I have a file that I've downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and click upload. And when I go ahead, I'm going to pick my file. I have a theme that I've downloaded called Private Lawyer. Now, this is good for any type of small business. There's a theme out there for your type of business. You just have to search for it. Chances are someone has already built it. So I'm going to go ahead and install the theme. And as you'll see, it's just as simple as it was before. The WordPress will automatically take your file that you've downloaded and will send it up to the server, and we'll make that your preferred front end of your site. So this will just take a second as this uploads. And our theme is done uploading. Again, just like before, we're going to have to activate this. So we're going to click on activate. And now our theme is installed. However, if you've seen themes out there, they need some sample data to really make it look the way it's supposed to look. So it gives you a feeling of what the site's going to look like. This theme comes with a simple installation of sample data, which we'll want to go ahead and do. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the sample data. This came with the theme, and it's a feature of some themes that allow you to install a theme and have it already pre-populated with some data. So this will give us a better idea of what our site should look like, and then we can replace that with our own content. So it's already been installed. Now I'm going to go back again and right click into a new tab here, and voila, now I have installed another theme. So we've just gone through installing three themes right here fairly quickly. This is the first theme that came out of the box. We picked another one called Squirrel Theme, and now the third one itself is this private lawyer theme, although it could be used for any type of business you want. So that's the power of WordPress, that you can come from downloading any theme you like and installing it within a few clicks. No other system out there makes it so easy to install software and functionality and add features to your website, which is what makes WordPress so powerful and why I recommend it to anybody looking to start their own website. So that runs us through our tutorial, and as you get used to working with the backend of WordPress, you'll fall in love with it. You'll see how easy it is to do things such as create pages, like we just said, add new content, and change your appearance of your theme. So for more information, go ahead and click on the next tab, and we're going to get you some more advanced information on the next steps you need to do to make your website professional and successful. Thank you, everybody.